Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish the Obsession game in Discord and how you can get all the titles. So start an activity and then select Obsession and then launch this activity. So basically, you just have to break the One Wish Willow. I've already done this, so the achievements and titles won't show. Okay, I wish for $1 billion. Alright. Okay, well, it's different. I wish Nikki Freeman loved me more than anyone in the entire world. And it says, she likes you, she's in love with you, she's obsessed with you. So basically, there's a lot of titles, but it's going to just give you anyways. We first have to find the hearts, the candy hearts, just the hearts, I guess. So one's here, one's in this drawer, one's in this cup, and then let's drop this. One is in the picture frame. So open this up. Hello, why can I not open this? Okay, there we go. And then one is in the cushions, well, underneath it. One is like in the lampshade. I'm missing one more. Wait, did I take? Oh, I didn't take the one, the candle one. So make sure you double tap it. It's the one inside like the melted wax. And then you need to find the One Wish Willow customer service number. Just open this drawer and select this and rotate it and just press it. You don't need to memorize the number. Press on the phone and then call helpline immediately, and you're just going to talk with the customer service. Okay, so once you've reached plan B, the heart is on the floor, and then it's also here underneath the like wilted roses, and then we will need to find the codes. I think I'm going to get the key first here, and then we're going to place it, so press take first and then place it here. So select this and then place it on the like, I don't know what it's called, key turner. It says love holds the key, so it's obviously in here. Wait for it to be opened. There we go. So the first code is 3. The second one is 8. It's going to be different for everyone, by the way. And also take the scissors as well. And grab the cat. You'll need this for the like cat achievement. Grab the scissors, drag it, and like make sure it's green and let it go. I don't know why it's opening that one. Okay, press the heart and you have all of the hearts. You'll get an achievement from that. And then we're going to grab this box here, grab these scissors, and then place it there as well. And then it's 2, so 382 is the code. And you will get the key, and I think that's it for the titles. You'll get it once you've done everything, and then you can do it again, and then if you fail, you'll get the other title. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!